Today, we visited Victoria Embankment Gardens, a peaceful garden tucked away along the River Thames in central London. In the middle of the city's busy streets, this place feels like a quiet escape. And in April, it becomes especially beautiful.
As we entered the gardens, the first thing that caught our attention was the tulips.
Rows and rows of them, in bright colors, red, yellow, pink, and purple, stretching across the flower beds. Some were fully in bloom, while others were just beginning to open. Each one seemed to bloom at its own pace. Walking slowly through the garden, it's easy to stop, take photos, and simply enjoy the moment.
Beyond the flowers, the garden is filled with shaded paths, trees, and quiet corners.
People sit on benches, some resting, some reading, others just taking in the view. Even in the heart of London, there's a sense of calm here that feels surprisingly distant from the city.
Located along the north bank of the River Thames, Victoria Embankment Gardens sits right in the heart of central London. It's just a short walk from Embankment Station, making it one of the most accessible green spaces in the city. The gardens were created in the late 19th century as part of the construction of the Victoria Embankment, a major engineering project that reshaped London's riverfront. What makes this place special is the contrast it offers. Surrounded by busy roads and historic buildings, the gardens provide a quiet, green retreat, a place where nature, history, and the city come together in one space.
Among the greenery, you'll also find several statues that reflect the area's history.
One of them is the Imperial Camel Memorial, commemorating the soldiers who served during the First World War. There is also a statue of Robert Raikes, known as the founder of the Sunday School movement. And nearby stands Arthur Sullivan, the composer whose music is still remembered today. These statues add a quiet historical presence to the beauty of the gardens.
As we walked along the paths, a gentle breeze moved through the flowers.
Sunlight filtered through the trees, casting soft shadows on the ground. These small moments, the light, the movement, the stillness, are what make this place so special.
Surrounded by tulips and spring colors, we slowly made our way through the gardens.
Sometimes, you don't have to travel far to find a place to pause and breathe. And here, right in the middle of London, we found exactly that.